This is super exciting. So there's a little story behind this. So I was on the internet and I was looking around for just looking at different things, you know, what's out there and whatnot. And I come across this page that's on, it says it's whites, right? But when I go to check their landing page, their main page, and then go through the menu and everything, it's not there. So I go back to the page that I found and I look at it, and I type in the size and it says they have one. So I'm like, all right. So I get a hold of Kim. I say, hey, I don't know if you're gonna have this or not, but check and see if you got it. She came back and she said, well, she goes, you might want to go play the lottery because we do have it. This is a special edition boot that was released about a year ago, and it's no longer on the site, but they had one in my size. So let's take a look. I don't have my stand here, so I've got to do this with one hand. So it's a 355, and it's got the half sole on it, and it is CF Stead Desert Oasis. It should be Army Green. So let's take a look. Again, trying to do this one-handed is not easy. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, man. Oh, that feels so freaking, holy shit. Wow, that is amazing. You have no idea how supple this leather is. It's like it's already been worn for years. And this has been sitting in a box. Man, I love that color. I thought maybe I might get a build date on here. That's what I'm looking for, but I can't see one. Or if it's there, it's hard to see. I see an 11D. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see a build date. But like I said, I know this was available for special release 1 year ago. Wow. I can't believe how freaking soft that is. I bet these things are going to feel amazing when I wear them. Wow. So nice. Talk about lucking out. Whew. All right, well, I'll wear them for a little bit and then give an update. Look how flimsy that leather is. I mean, it's not, I mean, it's thick, but it's so supple. This is freaking amazing. And it's freaking lined. They lined it.
I wasn't crying, I wasn't doing it. I was so completely, totally.
Before the PNW boot became a category, Otto White was helping define what it would become. DAMGARDT recognizes him as the father of the Pacific Northwest boot tradition.
Hello, everybody. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about a project that that I have started working on, and it'll be up soon. As you know, I've had DAMGARDT for some time, and with DAMGARDT, you know, we tear down boots, we review boots, get into some AI stuff, and to help, you know, forward the message of what the Pacific Northwest boot is all about and that experience. But it goes beyond that. It goes, I mean, boots, I mean, we all like the boots, but there's more to it. There's also, you know, what the men and women that wear the boots do and the experiences that they have. So I've created a group called the 4811. And obviously, we all know what that alludes to. It's the 4811 last. Soon, DAMGARDT will introduce the 4811, a living repository dedicated to preserving the history of what Otto White started and what generations of men and women have done with it. Because a boot, regardless of how well it is built, it's still a boot. It is the human condition that gives it meaning. We want the good stories, the bad ones, the victories, the failures, what was built, what was saved, and what was lost. White's boots became celebrated because somewhere, someone did something in them worth remembering. The 4811 exists to preserve those stories. The workers, craftsmen, companies, and everyday heroes who have carried Otto White's legacy forward for generations. And there will be boundaries. This is about White's boots and those with a genuine historical or construction connection to White's, whether through traceable lineage, the 4811, or family of lasts and bootmaking traditions that followed. Based upon what I can document today, that includes White's, Nick's, Frank's, and Abe boots. Others are welcome to establish their connection. Some builders will therefore be excluded. And I rest easy with that decision, because the purpose is not to include everybody. The purpose is to preserve this particular history and the human stories that make it matter. The 4811, the boots are the connection, the people are the story. Coming soon.